Not sure if you can see how bad this driveway is. It's sunken quite a bit. And this is causing a problem because we can't get a dumpster up here. They came and took a look and they said they can't drive over this. So now we've got to get like a driveway guy or somebody in here to take a look at this, see if we can patch it up just so we can get the dumpsters in. We've got somebody coming by to patch up the sinkhole. Let's see what happens with the car when I drive over it. Okay, that's a little dangerous. Today, we are repairing that sinkhole in the driveway. So they had to tear the top of the driveway off. We're going to have to fix a sinkhole, which is from disintegrating stumps from whoever buried them years ago. Fill it in and patch it up. It's got to be 18 inches deep. Maybe more, I should have measured. They are bringing in truckloads of fill. Yay! Here comes some more. Ooh, so exciting. Look at the driveway. It's all patched up. They did a great job. Yay, we were able to get the dumpster. Let's go take a look and see what it did to the driveway, how it held out. Hey, that held up pretty well. Look at that. Holy cow. We did a good job here.